So we were talking about how this attracts new clients for everybody and a new audience. How does it do it?
Well, it exposes your brand to a new worldwide audience. Say you're here, well, wherever you are. No, we're in different time zones. So you post something, your album's out there. Someone in Indonesia can easily consume your album and become your biggest fan, and could very well lead to you getting booked in Indonesia.
When you say album, what do you mean? Because when I think of album, I think of the old Earth, Wind, and Fires and Brothers Johnson albums that have like 13, 14 songs on an album, on a piece of vinyl. But what do you mean? What does this mean in this line of work?
Well, it's the same kind of impact. So you can create an album, people 20 years, 30 years are still going to be, thinking about some of the principles, some of the messages that they still live by from your album. The same way you probably still remember some of those lyrics. And a lot of times with these projects is that they don't need to be a full like 15, even 13 tracks sometimes. We found a sweet spot being 8 to 12 tracks is all you need to create some high quality impact for everyone.
So, and each track is its own individual message.
Absolutely. And it's all dependent about how you want to market, but each track can be its own digital product, essentially. You can have a keynote around each topic, you can, but some people offer different talks. So you can have a track per talk, or that track could turn into a different workshop or another book idea or another concept or another piece of your, keynote, whether you're looking at it as walkout music, you're walking out to your own speech track to, get people comfortable, like, oh, this is the guy that's about to speak. It's cool. Yeah, at a midpoint of your speech, whether you're trying to transition and create a new mood or get people thinking differently, that track can guide that. Or as an outro to where you're ending off with the bam, like, hey, this is my stuff. This is me. Download this as, download it right now. Or all three.